Hello, in this video I want to show you how to personalize subtitles in SkyShowtime. And to do this you will need to click on your profile picture, then click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Right here the website is set in a different language, as you can't change it to English as far as I asked the support, and it's not possible for some unknown reason. Now to change the subtitles we'll need to go for the settings right here. Then scroll down, and at the bottom you can personalize the subtitles. Click on it, and now you can change multiple things like size of the text, the font if you like, and some colors for the window, background, and shadows for the subtitles as well. Make sure to save those settings afterwards when you're ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.